Andobil Ultimate Mount is a premium phone holder designed to deliver maximum stability, versatility, and convenience for drivers. Crafted with military-grade materials and reinforced clamps, it ensures a secure grip on smartphones, even during bumpy rides or sharp turns. Its 360-degree rotating head allows effortless adjustment, giving users the perfect viewing angle for navigation, calls, or media. Engineered for universal compatibility, the Ultimate Mount fits a wide range of devices and can be installed on dashboards, windshields, or air vents. The quick-release mechanism makes mounting and removing phones simple, while anti-slip silicone pads protect devices from scratches. Built to withstand heat and vibration, it maintains performance in demanding driving conditions. The K10 OBD Meter is a compact diagnostic tool designed to give drivers real-time insights into their vehicle's performance and health. Plugging directly into the OBD2 port, it provides instant access to critical data such as engine RPM, coolant temperature, fuel consumption, and error codes. Its high-resolution digital display ensures clear visibility, allowing users to monitor metrics while driving or during maintenance checks. Engineered for convenience, the K10 features plug-and-play functionality, requiring no complex setup or additional software. Many models include customizable alerts for issues like overheating or excessive fuel use, helping prevent costly repairs. Lightweight and portable, it can be easily transferred between vehicles, making it ideal for fleet managers, mechanics, or everyday drivers. The JOYROOM FM Transmitter is a versatile in-car accessory designed to enhance connectivity and entertainment while driving. Plugging into the vehicle's cigarette lighter socket, it allows users to broadcast music, calls, and audio from smartphones via FM radio frequencies, making it compatible with virtually any car stereo. Equipped with Bluetooth 5 technology, it ensures stable connections, clear sound quality, and hands-free calling for safer driving. Its compact design includes dual USB ports and fast charging capability, enabling drivers to power multiple devices simultaneously. The transmitter also features noise cancellation technology for crystal-clear calls and an LED display that shows frequency, battery voltage, or track information. Easy to set up. Users simply tune the car radio and transmitter to the same frequency for instant pairing. The magnetic mount is a versatile accessory designed to securely hold smartphones, GPS units, or small devices in vehicles, offices, or homes. Built with strong neodymium magnets, it provides a firm grip without the need for clamps or cradles, allowing quick attachment and removal. Its compact design ensures minimal obstruction while maintaining a sleek, modern look. Engineered for convenience, the magnetic mount often features 360-degree rotation, enabling users to adjust viewing angles for navigation, calls, or media. Many models include adhesive bases or clip-on options, making installation simple on dashboards, windshields, or desks. Protective rubber or silicone coatings prevent scratches and enhance stability, even on bumpy roads. The Universal Visor Extender is a practical driving accessory designed to improve visibility and reduce glare for safer travel. Built with durable, lightweight materials, it attaches easily to any standard vehicle sun visor, extending coverage to block harsh sunlight or headlight glare without obstructing the driver's view. Its adjustable sliding panels allow customization, ensuring comfort whether driving at sunrise, sunset, or in bright midday conditions. Engineered for convenience, the extender often features tinted or polarized panels that filter light while maintaining clarity of the road ahead. Compact and foldable, it can be tucked away when not in use, making it ideal for everyday driving. Installation requires no tools, and its universal design fits most cars, trucks, and SUVs. The BATOCA Polisher Kit is a professional-grade car care solution designed to deliver smooth, swirl-free finishes for automotive detailing enthusiasts and professionals alike. Powered by a high-performance motor, it provides consistent speed and torque, making it ideal for polishing, waxing, and removing scratches or oxidation from vehicle surfaces. Its ergonomic design with adjustable handles ensures comfort and control during extended use, reducing fatigue while enhancing precision. The kit typically includes multiple foam and wool pads, allowing users to tackle different detailing tasks with ease. Variable speed settings give flexibility for delicate finishes or more aggressive correction, while the durable construction ensures long-lasting reliability. Compact yet powerful, the polisher is suitable for cars, motorcycles, boats, and even household applications. The Fovow electric jack is a modern automotive tool designed to make lifting vehicles safer, faster, and more convenient. Powered by a 12V car cigarette lighter socket, it eliminates the need for manual cranking, raising vehicles effortlessly with the push of a button. Built from heavy-duty steel and reinforced components, it offers reliable strength and stability, making it suitable for cars, SUVs, and light trucks. Its compact design includes built-in safety features such as overload protection and a secure locking mechanism to prevent accidental drops. Many models also feature an integrated LED light, allowing drivers to operate in low wheel light or roadside emergency conditions. Portable and easy to store, the Fovow electric jack fits neatly in a trunk, ready for quick tire changes or roadside repairs. The steering wheel tray is a practical in-a-car accessory designed to transform your vehicle into a mobile workspace or dining area. Built from durable, lightweight materials, it attaches securely to the steering wheel, creating a stable surface for laptops, tablets, notebooks, or meals. Its compact design ensures easy installation and removal, making it convenient for drivers who need quick functionality without permanent modifications. Engineered for versatility, the tray often features dual-sided use, one side with a flat surface for writing or working, and the other with a recessed area for holding food and drinks. The ergonomic design keeps items within reach while maintaining comfort, and its slim profile allows it to be stored easily in the back seat or trunk when not in use. The Aromatherapy crystal ball is a unique wellness accessory that combines the calming effects of aromatherapy with the elegance of crystal design. Crafted from high-quality glass or crystal, it often features a hollow interior or integrated diffuser system that allows essential oils to be added. When warmed or illuminated, the ball gently releases soothing fragrances, creating a tranquil atmosphere for relaxation, meditation, or stress relief. Beyond its functional benefits, the crystal ball serves as a decorative centerpiece, reflecting light beautifully and adding a touch of sophistication to any space. Many designs incorporate LED lighting or color-changing effects to enhance mood and ambiance. Compact and portable, it can be placed in bedrooms, offices, or yoga studios, offering versatility in use. The UGREEN Bluetooth receiver is a compact, high-performance device designed to upgrade traditional audio systems with modern wireless connectivity. Plugging into an aux port, it transforms car stereos, home speakers, or headphones into Bluetooth-enabled units, allowing seamless streaming of music, podcasts, and calls from smartphones or tablets. Equipped with Bluetooth 5 technology, it ensures stable connections, low latency, and clear sound quality. Engineered for convenience, the receiver features multi-device pairing and a built-in microphone for hands-free calling, enhancing safety while driving. Its lightweight, portable design makes it easy to carry and install, while the rechargeable battery provides hours of continuous use. Many models also include noise cancellation technology to improve call clarity and reduce background interference. The mesh organizer bag is a lightweight, versatile storage solution designed to keep everyday essentials neatly arranged and easily accessible. Made from durable, breathable mesh fabric, it allows visibility of contents while promoting airflow, preventing moisture buildup and odors. Its flexible design makes it suitable for storing toiletries, cosmetics, electronics, travel accessories, or gym gear. Engineered for convenience, the bag often features zippered compartments, reinforced stitching, and sturdy handles or hooks, ensuring secure storage and portability. The transparent mesh construction helps users quickly identify items without rummaging, saving time and effort. Compact yet spacious, it fits easily into suitcases, backpacks, or car compartments, making it ideal for travel, work, or home organization. The Neewer suction mount is a durable and versatile accessory designed for securely attaching cameras, action cams, or other devices to smooth surfaces. Built with industrial-grade suction technology, it provides a firm grip on car windshields, dashboards, windows, or other flat surfaces, ensuring stability even during motion or vibration. Its adjustable arm and 360-degree swivel head allow flexible positioning, giving users the perfect angle for filming, photography, or monitoring. Engineered for portability, the mount is lightweight yet strong, making it ideal for travel, outdoor shoots, or on-the-go recording. Quick release mechanisms simplify installation and removal, while reinforced joints enhance durability under repeated use. Compatible with a wide range of cameras and accessories, it adapts to professional and hobbyist needs alike. The Auxbeam switch panel is a smart control system designed to simplify and organize electrical accessories in vehicles. Featuring a compact multi-button interface, it allows drivers to manage lights, winches, pumps, and other 12V devices from a single panel. Built with durable, heat-resistant materials, it ensures reliability in rugged off-road or professional environments. Equipped with programmable switches and LED backlighting, the panel offers customizable control, making it easy to identify functions even in low light conditions. Its integrated circuit protection guards against overloads, short circuits, and overheating, enhancing safety and longevity. Installation is straightforward, with plug-and-play wiring harnesses that reduce complexity and save time. The Libu foam sprayer is a professional car care tool designed to deliver thick, clinging foam for efficient cleaning and detailing. Built with a durable bottle and precision nozzle, it connects easily to a standard garden hose or pressure washer, transforming water and detergent into rich foam that covers the vehicle evenly. This foaming action helps loosen dirt, grime, and road film without scratching the paint, making washing faster and more effective. Engineered for convenience, the sprayer features adjustable spray patterns and dilution settings, allowing users to control foam thickness and coverage based on cleaning needs. Its ergonomic handle ensures comfortable use, while the leak-proof design minimizes waste. Compact and easy to store, it's suitable for cars, motorcycles, bicycles, and even outdoor furniture or patios. The PHEE car radio is a modern in-dash entertainment system designed to upgrade driving experiences with enhanced audio and connectivity. Featuring Bluetooth technology, it allows seamless pairing with smartphones for hands-free calling, wireless music streaming, and easy access to navigation apps. Its high fidelity sound output ensures clear audio quality, while built-in equalizer settings let users customize listening preferences. Equipped with USB and aux inputs, the PHEE car radio supports multiple playback options, including flash drives and external devices. Many models also include FM, AM tuners with strong signal reception, keeping drivers connected to local stations. The intuitive interface, often with a touchscreen or backlit controls, makes operation simple even in low light conditions. Compact and stylish, it fits most vehicle dashboards and is designed for straightforward installation. The K2 Pro Dashcam is a high-performance vehicle recording system designed to deliver clear, reliable footage for enhanced safety and documentation. Equipped with dual-camera technology, it captures both front and rear views simultaneously, providing comprehensive coverage of the road and surroundings. Its wide-angle lenses and advanced image sensors ensure sharp video quality in daylight and low light conditions, making it effective for all driving environments. The dashcam features loop recording and GES sensor impact detection, automatically saving crucial clips during sudden collisions or events. Many models also include Wi-Fi connectivity, allowing quick transfer of footage to smartphones for easy viewing and sharing. Compact and discreet, the K2 Pro installs seamlessly without obstructing the driver's view. The foam cleaner is a versatile cleaning solution designed to tackle dirt, grease, and stains across a wide range of surfaces. Formulated to produce a rich, dense foam, it penetrates deep into fabrics, upholstery, and textured materials, lifting grime without harsh scrubbing. Its gentle yet effective composition makes it suitable for car interiors, household furniture, carpets, and even delicate surfaces. Engineered for convenience, the foam cleaner often comes in a spray can or pump bottle, allowing easy application and controlled coverage. The foam clings to surfaces, reducing runoff and maximizing cleaning efficiency. Many versions are non-toxic and biodegradable, ensuring safety for users and the environment. Quick-drying properties leave surfaces fresh and residue-free, while pleasant fragrances enhance the cleaning experience.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel.